guys, I am sitting here with Gena Cole, and this is the Colster Kitchen.
Welcome.
And we are going to be doing a dessert that I learned from her. So will you kind of tell us about what's going on here?
Sure, this is just a berry crisp. If you've made like a berry cobbler, it's along those lines, but without white flour, without white sugar. It's basically your favorite organic berries, and then a good quality granola. I make a homemade granola, or you can buy an amazing granola from somebody else, and you'll have a berry crisp that is delicious and nutritious.
But all these miles, and since I have loved this particular recipe, it was a must. So we had to shoot this. So we're gonna get in the kitchen and I'm gonna follow her around. You're gonna wanna serve this to your guests. Super simple, doesn't take long, max nutrition as well. So who can say that about most desserts?
It can be used for a breakfast. It can be used for a dinner dessert. So it has, you know, a lot of different...
Multifunctional.
It totally is.
Okay, so we're gonna hop in the kitchen and get to it.
Awesome! You can use fresh berries or frozen berries, so you have things available year around. So I'm gonna use my leftover 4th of July berries. Aren't those so pretty? Put them in here. And then you just eyeball it, because you want to fill it 3/4 of whatever dish you're making. So I'm not measuring. Isn't that so fun? Disperse between the different flavors. Okay, we're almost done making our berry crisp. Then you take your favorite granola and you just pour it on top. My granola has oats, coconut, pecans, walnuts, and then the binder is coconut oil and some maple syrup. So that's basically your berry crisps. Now I can bake it and that will be done. If you just need a little more sweetener, I just happen to have this in my refrigerator, loganberry syrup. So you don't have to do this, but if you just want a little bit of a sweetener, there it is. And now it's gonna go in the oven at 350. It's just so pretty. For about 35 minutes.
Look at that. It's beautiful.
Very crisp with freshly whipped cream and just a little sprinkle of cinnamon on the top.
And thank you for sharing this recipe with us.
You're so welcome.
So amazing. Homemade whipped cream. Tell us what's in it. It's super hard, guys. You might not want to do it.
Heavy whipped cream and some vanilla. And I whipped it up in a KitchenAid for about 5 minutes. Just stand by it so you don't turn it into butter.
Just enough to peak.
The blueberries really pop because they have been growing in the oven, and when you bite into it, the burst of flavor is just wow.
On point. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you give this a try, please let me know what you think. And Gena, thank you so much for sharing this with us.
Yes.
And you guys have a great day. We're gonna enjoy our cobbler.
Yay. Oh no, not cobbler. It's rhubarb crisp. No, it's not rhubarb crisp. Berry crisp.
We're gonna enjoy our berry crisp.
That's right.